How is Irish different from English? Have you ever wondered why Irish and English sound so different, even though they are both spoken in Ireland? Let's break down the differences between these two languages and how they reflected Irish culture. Irish, also known as Gaelic or Gaeilge, is a Celtic language that has been around for centuries. It has its own alphabet, grammar, and vocabulary, making it quite distinct from English. English, on the other hand, is a Germanic language that arrived in Ireland much later. Today, English is the primary language used in daily life, but Irish still holds a special place in the hearts of many. One major difference lies in sentence structure. In Irish, the order often follows a verb-subject-object pattern. For example, instead of saying, "I eat an apple," you might say, "Eat I an apple." This can be quite different from the English structure we are used to. Another unique feature of Irish is initial consonant mutations. This means that the beginning of a word can change based on its grammatical context. Such a feature is not found in English, which adds another layer of complexity to the Irish language. When it comes to vocabulary, the differences are clear. Many Irish words are completely different from their English counterparts. However, some English words in Ireland have been influenced by Irish. For travelers, this means you will see many place names and road signs in Irish. For instance, Bohar means road, and Amharclan means theatre. These signs are often accompanied by English translations, giving a glimpse of the language's presence in everyday life. In Ireland, the English spoken is often referred to as Hiberno-English. This version of English incorporates elements of Irish grammar and expressions. Phrases like "come here till I tell you" or "you never asked if I'd a mouth on me" show how Irish influences English in a unique way. Pronunciation and meaning can also differ. For example, what Americans call fries are known as chips in Ireland, while cookies are referred to as biscuits. Additionally, jumper means sweater and pudding can refer to dessert in general. Irish culture places great importance on the Irish language as a symbol of national identity. While English is widely spoken, many rural areas known as Gaeltacht regions still use Irish as the main language. Travelers who learn a few Irish phrases, such as Daya for hello, Slánta for cheers, or Cunas tatu for how are you, often find that locals appreciate the effort. In summary, Irish and English differ in their origins, grammar, vocabulary, and cultural significance. While English is the dominant language in Ireland, the Irish language remains a vital part of the country's identity. This unique blend of languages offers travelers a rich cultural experience to enjoy.